Welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, and today we're in Barrio Fiesta 2025!
Tsaka, kung nagdududa siya, bakit ikaw yung tatanungin niya? Laman and Turon. Thank you po. Good. Need somebody to love.
Ay, sorry. Sorry, hindi pala tayo. Siya pala yung kumakanta.
Oh my God, sa likod.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat!
Kung ano yung lyrics? Kung ano yung lyrics?
Habang buhay kita,
Inom ka ba? Kung ano yung lyrics?
aking prinsesa!
Lakas tayo sa tinanong kaharian. Wala na akong pag-aari sa
Di ko alam.
naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga pinapili.
Yes! Yes! For sure, alam na alam niyo to. Alam na alam ni Damir to.
Baka mas alam niyo pa sa akin.
Mas alam actually. Charot.
Let the world around us just fall apart. Take a look at me, hit it by heart to heart. And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. We love you,
Okay, thank you so much mga kapamilya. Nag-enjoy so much si Danielle. Okay?
Hi, it's Angelina! Hey guys! How are you? I'm with the beautiful Erica. Erica, and all I want to say is she worth the hype. Is she Angie certified? Yeah! Of course! Lovely seeing you guys. Let's take it. Cheers! Amazing! Oh, should be mine. Yay! Thank you guys! Nice meeting you! Thank you! See you on YouTube. Bye! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm kissing you again!
Iyan mo sumasaya. Sabi ko may front kang tapos nakatalikod.
Di magmamadali ko lang ang katabi.
May lyrics. Memorize ko na ito. Ilang beses.
Di akalain
So, where are we today?
Tsaka, kung nagdududa siya, bakit ikaw yung tatanungin niya? Si Mau.
Masaya ka ba?
Hindi, disappointed. 50, wala akong meet and greet. Hindi pa na ako bumili, sorry. Nakapila po ako. 50 pounds, meet and greet, pero wala akong meet and greet.
Who did we, see today?
No one. Yeah, I saw them. Angelina, certified. Certifiable. Oy! Bigyan naman kay DJ. Thank you. Thank you. Ang bilis be. Hi. Wala pang 10 seconds talaga. Girl, ang sama talaga ng mga girls as in. Tingnan mo, sobrang
Ganun din naman sa amin last time kay Belle.
sobrang bilis.
Hello ladies, aking Sinta Jury.
May babig kaya?
I'll try.
Thank you.
Napasign mo, kuya?
Napasign mo.
Well done.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Sabi tayo, isasign niya yan eh.
She loved this one because it's not out yet. This one,
Oh my God!
but this one, no, it's okay. That's fine. That's alright.
Yeah.
Huh?
You got the sunshine.
Not for sale. Okay, guys.
Ingat! Pag kami pa yung artist na papapicture po.
Siyempre.
Ang galing. Sorry? No. Hello po. Kumusta po yung meet and greet po?
Sorry?
Kumusta po yung meet and greet?
Okay lang.
Okay lang,
Pero
okay lang. Napakagwapo ni, napakagwapo ni Daniel.
Masaya.
Masaya kasi nakita natin ang idol natin. Ang gwapo-gwapo ni DJ. As in, ang cute-cute ng mukha, maliit yung mukha niya.
Nanonood din po kayo ng Incognito.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Ala!
Oo. Nakakainis nga kasi namatay si Jaguar.
Oo nga!
So, ang dapat nagagawin nilang twist dyan ay may kambal si Jaguar para siya pa rin yung makukuha nilang di ba? Anyway, anong YouTube channel mo para makita ko?
Yolo Pascual.
Nag-subscribe na ako, ha?
Ay, thank you po! Bye po! Ingat po kayo!
Hi, ako po si Yan. Ako yung CEO ng Celtron Strategic Estates. So, I specialize in UK property. I've got the opportunity to bring Daniel and Maris nung Friday sa Kingston Hospital. And I'm surprised, marami palang walang aware na may Barrio Fiesta ngayon kasi ang daming Barrio Fiesta. So, I've invited like hundreds of my colleagues here today. So nakapunta sila and yun, yung mga fans natin.
NHS po.
Yes, which is on Friday lang. Thank you to Ma'am Odi, kay Ron Saison, tsaka kay Wilmar. At na-aware natin na pasaya yung nasa TFC Europe group actually yung sa Kingston Hospital yung pictures nung Friday. So I'm the one who organized na makapunta sila sa Kingston Hospital and yeah, it's a nice opportunity kasi napasaya natin yung NHS workforce natin.
Kasi alam naman po natin na most of Filipinos there in the healthcare.
Yeah, exactly. Kaya unexpected nga dinumog yan pa lahat naka-uniform sa nag-hit and run lang which is ang saya, 'di ba? Kasi this is a rare opportunity. And they were so thankful kasi nakita nila yung live performance ni Daniel and Maris.
Sakay po tayo, ate.
Tara.
Joke lang.
I'm Sarah.
Yes. Hi, Syra! Finally! Yeah, guys! Hello po.
Oh my God. Dapat yung messaging.
Kanina,
Sabi ko, ay,
nag-hesitate po siya. Siya po si Ate Yeda. Siya ba si Ate? Kasi dalawang beses na po kayo pumasok. Ay, lumabas.
ate. Kasi yung data ko rin po hindi nag-ano sa
Opo.
ko nag-send.
Tara, let's go to the booth. You have to meet my boss. Because everyone's here. Like, I'm from Manila. My boss is from the US. Some of the team are from Dubai, Canada. Everyone.
Look, guys. This is the Barrio Fiesta, London in Upscourt Farm. 2025. Hello po. And there's more food stalls this year compared to last year, which is a good thing because last year there was a lot of queue. Yeah, hala yung araw. There was a lot of queue last year. And ngayon, mas maganda kasi the queue was distributed equally to all the food stalls. Kaya mas maganda. What is your chismis for this vlog?
Chismis is
We didn't get a meeting.
we didn't get to see Daniel, but I wanted to see Maurice actually and Morissette. So I didn't mind, but we didn't meet and greet.
Bumili kami ng puto lang pala. Hindi lang puto bum. Christmas! Ng puto lang kasi. Yung guys, we got some free-to-run. Gulaman. Nauuhaw ako.
Thank you po.
Ano yung pangalan ng ano nun?
Scramble ko.
Scramble ko.
Scramble niya.
Tao ka nga? Guys, beloved Cucina. Beloved Cucina.
Solid talaga.
Lagay
mo dito yung ano. Ba't may purple yung ano?
Ube siguro.
Banana. Ang sarap
Beloved.
talaga kumain pag pansarado.
Dapat next time talaga yun. Talagang hanggang dulo eh. Beloved Cucina gave us gulaman.
China?
Cucina.
Kusina?
Cucina. Oo nga pala.
Kusina. Thank you po, beloved
Kusina.
Kusina. Thank you,
Thank you,
tita.
beloved Cucina.
Thank you, tita.
Thank you po, auntie.
Sa gulaman and Turon.
Turon. Thank you po.
Girl,
Uwi na po
picture.
kami.